comes to reproduction. What does reproduction means? Reproduction is the process of giving rise to their young ones, and in science these young ones are known as their offspring. The organism basically give birth to their young ones. These young ones, they mature, they become old and they will die. So to continue their species on the earth, every living organism basically reproduce of their own kind. There are two types of reproduction that can be performed by an organism. They are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only a single parent is involved, whereas in sexual reproduction, two parents are involved. The one parent is male parent and other parent is basically a female parent. In asexual reproduction, there is no formation of gametes or sex cell, whereas in sexual reproduction, there is a formation of gametes and sex cell. In asexual reproduction, as there is no formation of gamete, so there will be no fusion of gamete. But in sexual reproduction, as there is a formation of gamete, so there will be a fusion of gametes. In sexual reproduction, the offspring is more or less similar to the parent organism. That is why these offspring are known as clones. And what are clones? Clones are morphologically and genetically similar to the parent organism. Morphologically means their outer structure and genetically means their inside structure. Asexual reproduction is generally done by the organism. Those are single cell or that are having the simple level of organization. In asexual reproduction, the cell will divide to form two organisms. So this means that cell division and reproduction is basically an inclusive phenomena. Inclusive means they are more or less the similar phenomena. In asexual reproduction, that can be done by the various asexual reproductive structures, and that can be done by various vegetative reproductive structures. In sexual reproduction, there is an involvement of two parents. There is a fusion of gametes occurring. Any organism that is basically taking their life on the earth have to go into a cyclic process. First, they are basically smaller organisms. This means they will take birth. Then they will pass into a juvenile phase. For plants, we use the name vegetative phase. Then in this phase, they will basically gain the capability for reproduction. Then they will be passing into the reproductive phase. Then they will be passing into the senescence phase, and after that they will die. So this means that any organism can perform two types of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction.